What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today, as you can see, we're doing an unboxing once again. Maybe this will go on both of my channels, the TechFreekz and the other one. So basically I ordered a freaking wheel so I can play my games. But I cover up, you don't see? No? Alright, so... oh shit, okay, let's go. There is no USB, I'm killing myself. Alright, there is USB cable. Let's just open it, I guess. Not gonna waste time here. Fucking hell. Jesus Christ. Okay. So I do that, so you guys can see. Oh well, this is fancy. Okay, let's here we have something which I guess it's a manual, and I suppose it's a stick tag. That's fine. And here we have I don't know which is which. Okay, so I got are they the pedals? Do English people say pedals, or what do they say? This... this is so... where the fuck do you plug this in? Alright, so these are the pedals here. Focus, man, focus. Fuck me, focus, come on. Alright, so never mind. Just the GXT and the cable. And of course the bubble wrap. Okay. Here we have the fucking wheel. This is so small. This is what the fuck is this? This turns only fucking like 100 degrees. This has to be like steady. This is okay. So here we have the wheel, which I thought it was way bigger. It looks like fucking. It's very small. I mean the. Okay, so it's a stick-on. Okay, this is where I plug the shit in. And the USB. No scan, thank you, universal. And on the right and left side you have these buttons, and I'll probably use these as indicators, I'd say. So good. And they also gave me another fucking another fucking bubble wrap. So let me use this as a bit of a as a bit of a help here. I'll put this back in. So the wheel, the pedals, if I said it correctly, there's 13, if I got it right, 13 responsive buttons on there. So sorry if my camera is blurry because I'm filming with my phone mode. So let's start. Okay, it's like PS4 controller, and that's it. But yeah, that's it. That's the wheel, the pedals. Okay, so I think I didn't record very much. I used my I don't know what this is, but I'll use them. Thank you very much for the wheel. See you guys in the next video. I want to die.